It might be a little chilly, but that didn't stop us from coming out today and enjoying ourselves on our motorcycles. It's only 40 degrees Fahrenheit. There's Brian on his new RSV4 Factory Ultra Gold. Yeah, we're out here, guys. We're having a good time. And Simon Says always has to be the speed demon. You can't stop these kids, man. You know, look at these beautiful. Oh yeah, even Brian gets a little frisky. Yeah, but look at these freshly paved road, guys. How can you blame us? We need to be over there in that express lane doing smackdowns, all you can eat buffet style. Yeah, I'm so happy. The full carbon M1000 has 3 stages of heated grips, and I have them on level 3. This is such a smooth bike. You know, I might as well give you, I don't know how many miles I have on this thing. Let's see, we got 6,781 miles. Let's call this a 6,500 mile review of the M1000RR 2023 gorgeous Moto Million fully spec'd out model. And I'll tell you guys, there is probably not another smooth engine like this. I know that some of the S1000s have had problems over the years, minor this, minor that, but this bike has been absolutely flawless since I took possession of this machine. It's a great bike. This bike has stage 3 Brand tuning, which totally eliminated that annoying flat spot that happens on all 2020 and newer S1000, M1000s between like 2 and 4,000 RPM. Well, that was eliminated thanks to the master genius Brendan from Brand Tuning, who, by the way, is having a Black Friday sale on all of his flashing tools and equipment. Going over to BrandTuning.com. It's from November 17th through December 2nd. And this bike just rips and roars with its full aero titanium exhaust system. It sounds great. It produces lots of power. Yeah. Quick shifts and auto clip on this machine are just so silky smooth. Just makes somewhat of a shotgun blast sound when you engage the quick shift. I sometimes just do it for fun. Ahead of me, we've got my good buddy Addy on his 2025 CBR 1000 RRR Fireblade SP. I bought that bike to him from a dealership in filthy Cleveland. And it looks nice. He's using the brake-free helmet brake light, as you can see. I'm using it also on my Alpinestars Supertech R10 helmet. And it really comes in handy to let folks behind me know what I'm doing. Up ahead is our good buddy. He's riding his Harley today. He also has a Panigale 1199S that he usually rides. He has a passenger on the back, and as you can see, he likes to ride frisky, especially for a Harley. And look, guys, I know I make it seem easy. We did all this on one take. I didn't stutter, lose my train of thought, or have any sort of issues. Oh, look at that. That beautiful truck. Yeah, I didn't have any of that except for this last second when I saw a Ford F-350. Aside from that, this is all a one-take performance. young kid, Simon says, got me. Yeah, he got me. Nice clean run. These kids, these lightweight feathers. I'm gonna have to get him on my Boosa. You've earned the right for a Boosa smackdown, Simon says. I think we're getting close to the place. I'm hungry, guys. We haven't had breakfast. This is supposed to be a bike and breakfast type event. And I hope they're offering some delicious food. Go right ahead, buddy. Yeah, let's get us there quickly. Don't run the pedestrian over, but get us there quickly. Folks are out in their Sunday's best, as you can see. That's great. And it's a beautiful day here in this area. Good morning. You know, this is a nice neighborhood. Brownstone homes all around. You don't get to see these a lot. I mean, these are definitely not really in the filthy Cleveland area. So whenever I travel and I get to see different places, I like it. And I hope you do too. You know, this footage is, of course, being supplied by our good friends at Insta360. This gorgeous 360 footage, and I think this town looks very nice. Oh, look at that. Look at that one over there, guys. I like the exposed old style brick there. It's nice. But as much as I like viewing these gorgeous homes, I am really, really hungry. So fingers crossed that wherever the heck we're going for food is very close by. I see a body of water close by, and I also see jaywalkers running across the street with their family. Okay, there you go. Wow, look at that. You got some new construction. It's a nice area, man. I like it. Oh, breakfast was delicious, and so was this turnout over here. Met some cool people, including an 05 commander from the United States Navy who told me he's going to start following me on my social media. He was very impressed with the M1000RR, as was pretty much everyone else that we encountered here today in this beautiful area. Another airplane landing here at the airport nearby, and we're going to do some more riding. But I can't get over how similar these two machines look, at least for this year, with their beautiful winglets. And it's funny, both these bikes have revised winglets for the 2025 model year, so we're going to have to wait and see how that looks. And even the M1000RR has different winglets now for 2025, although I do love the ones on my bike. Either way, yeah, we are ready to take off and do some more riding on these. Oh, there's the commander. Nice meeting you. All right, see you, man. Yep, see you guys. Thank you. Oh, you wanted to hear it, right? Okay. The commander came back and he gave me a command. He wants to hear the M1000. And even his 17-month-old son likes the sound of the bike. That's really cool. He's going to be getting an Aprilia Tuono really soon as he has his other child there that his wife is carrying. Anyway, too much information, I'm sure. Beautiful vehicles. They love to splash people if you're standing over there. They do it for fun. I'm going to try to make it so that get the heck out of their way so that I don't get splashed. They don't splash the family over there. Yeah. I'm having too much fun out here. Tried to disrespect him and give give him a monstrous head start. And it didn't work out in my favor. That's okay. I'll get him on the next run, fair and square. Now, fair and square, I got him. Yeah. The guy on the injection wanted to race me. I did my duty. His wheels are pretty. Okay. Well, somehow we always end up at the Shell gas station whenever I come out here. A lot smaller group this time, but it was a great trip yet again here. Riding with these crazy local guys. And this guy thinks he beat me, but he did not. And he's going to face Valentine now like a man. I had to sick, Simon on him. Simon crushed him. Our good buddy crushed him on the S1000. And now hopefully the next time we come out here, Valentine will be with us to spank him even more. Yeah. Yeah, man, but we always seem to have a nice time out here hanging out with these crazy guys. But now it's time to head back. See ya, Addy. Cool guy. I finally got Simon Says! He happens to be on a stock bike. That's the only way I can get him. But it's a victory nonetheless. Yeah! What a great way to end a fantastic weekend in this beautiful area than by spanking Simon Says!